everyone, I'm back with another vlog that is of Wafi Mall.
Before we go into the Wafi Mall, please hit subscribe and press the bell icon.
Let's get started. This mall is based on the theme of Egypt. Like you will find mummies over here, you will find ancient type of Giza pyramids and all. So I'll see if I'll find some pyramids over here, right? So stay tuned.
So this is the lobby of the mall. The mall has a really very big lobby. Actually, the land area in every mall is very big. Let me show you some more. Follow me. Where are you waiting? Okay, so there's a drawing kind of I found here, which shows buildings of Dubai. Let's explore the history and heritage. Discover a 14th century inspired Arabic souk, home to a vision that gathers different cultures from the Arab world. With its exceptional architectures, artisans, and craftsmen, traditional items, foods, and artifacts and fashion. You know, every painting speaks a lot. The painter, the one who has designed them, you really have to pay attention too much in order to understand the message. If there is some message inside that painting, like this one is thinking something, and maybe I'm just laughing. Oh, time to sanitize my hands. Because I touch too much paintings. I should not be. So these all paintings are good. I enjoyed really being here. And yes, there are too much mummy statues also. Alright, let's go further. Let me show you some more about Egypt, which is crafted here. So here are 3-4 things. One is this Mr. sitting on the chair. Hi. There are 3 statues. What are they waiting for? I don't know. This lion face chair, this camel standing.
It's only one level. I didn't find it on
Two
much
level.
more levels. One or maybe 2 hardly, yeah. So the shops are here, but levels are only 2. So stay tuned with me.
This is kind of a crystal volcano. I don't know what it does.
It's kind of morning actually here. It's around 1 o'clock. So the mall is empty. No more rush. Also today is Sunday. And weekend in Dubai is Friday and Saturday. Not Sunday. Sunday is a working day. But I, for you, is the Vela person. Vela means has nothing to do at all.
So it's time to go outside from the entry door. So it's the rooftop that has rooftop garden. So there's a restaurant, there's rooftop garden, there are buildings around you, and this way takes you to the barbecue place. When you are with your loved ones, your friends, you can come here and do the barbecue. I was in the daytime, I could not do it. And you sit here, hang around, and see pyramids all around you. so that you really feel that you are into Egypt. And also greenery is also for you, which is very important.
So as you can see behind me, there's a well, there's depth, rocks. Do not climb on the rocks is also mentioned. Really amazing, one of a kind experience, and I hope you are also enjoying the journey.
So let's get back inside the mall. As you have seen all the buildings around, there's the exit door of this roof. Inside you find, as usual, these navigation, so you really do not miss your way back to the parking. See these pillars? Time to go down again to the ground level. I really hope you enjoyed this small tour of Wafi Mall. Please do not forget to share the video and like the video. Bye bye.